Have you ever thought about why humans don't live for 200 years or more? It seems strange, right? Some animals like turtles and whales can live for a really long time, but humans, not so much. Well, it turns out the answer to this mystery could go back over 100 million years, all the way to the time of the dinosaurs. Let me break it down for you. There's a scientist named Professor Joao Pedro de Magalhaes from the University of Birmingham, and he has an exciting new theory. He thinks that dinosaurs didn't just rule the Earth, they may have also shaped how we age today. This idea is called the longevity bottleneck hypothesis. What does that mean, though? Let's go back in time. Picture this. The world is full of enormous, fearsome dinosaurs. T-Rex, velociraptors, all kinds of giant creatures roaming the land. Our ancestors, the early mammals, were much, much smaller. Think of them as tiny, furry creatures scurrying around trying to survive. Back then, mammals like us didn't have the luxury of living long lives. They were constantly in danger of being eaten by dinosaurs. Because of this, these early mammals had to reproduce quickly, or else their species wouldn't survive. The key here is survival. When you're always on the run from giant predators, you don't have time to worry about living for hundreds of years. So, over millions of years, these mammals evolved to reproduce fast rather than live long. This is where the interesting part comes in. Professor de Magalhaes thinks that during this time, our mammal ancestors may have lost important genes that help with living longer. You see, some animals, like reptiles, have genes that allow them to repair their bodies and even slow down aging. That's why some reptiles, like turtles, can live for 100 or even 200 years. But for mammals, including humans, the focus wasn't on living long. It was about staying alive long enough to have babies. So our early ancestors didn't need those special longevity genes. They just had to survive long enough to pass on their DNA. Fast forward to today, and we still carry that genetic legacy. We live longer than many animals, but compared to reptiles, we age much faster. Think about it. While reptiles like turtles can live for a century without showing many signs of aging. Wrinkles, gray hair, and slower bodies are all signs of aging that mammals experience, but reptiles don't really have those same markers. Here's another twist. The professor's theory suggests that this fast-aging process may also explain why mammals, including humans, are more likely to develop diseases like cancer. It's a trade-off. Our ancestors had to prioritize survival, but as a result, our bodies might not be as good at repairing themselves as some other animals. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter today? Well, this theory gives scientists a new way to think about aging and diseases. If we can understand how our ancestors' genes changed during the age of the dinosaurs, we might be able to unlock new ways to slow down aging or even prevent some of the health problems we face as we get older. And who knows? Maybe one day, scientists will find a way to extend human life, all because of what we're learning from this incredible connection to the dinosaurs. So the next time you see a turtle or read about dinosaurs, remember that their ancient world might still be influencing us today. It's a fascinating reminder that even though dinosaurs are long gone, their legacy could still be affecting one of the most basic parts of our lives, how we age. And next time you blow out those birthday candles, you might want to thank, or blame, the dinosaurs for how fast the years seem to go by.